Hey there, Treviso fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property. Today we are previewing our listing here at AVELLINO, Unit 1821. This is the Arabella floor plan, the end unit, largest of the verandas. This is a non-golf veranda, so you don't have any golf membership dues. And the Arabella here is a 2-bedroom plus den, over 1,600 square foot home. You get a front and back lanai, and you also get a garage that's directly out front, a 1-car detached garage there. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home. As we walk into the entry, you'll notice that there's additional woodwork and trim that was added here. This home was also completely repainted. But first, on the right side, we have the kitchen area. So you've got a nice little nook here. Notice the upgraded plantation shutters on the window as well. Got a nice pantry there, full stainless steel appliance package, and a nice kitchen overlooking your great room area here. A really nice and open style kitchen here. Now walking back into the hallway here, we're gonna go to our left. That's where you're gonna get the guest bathroom and the guest bedroom. So here we have the guest bath with the combination tub and shower. Then we also have the laundry space here as well, big enough for a full-size washer and dryer, some additional storage above. And then we have the guest bedroom here with the additional wood paneling on a wall there. You've got the plantation shutters as well, and you've got a walk-in style closet. Now directly across from this is the den or third bedroom if you wanted to use it that way, but it is a true den. There's no closet in here. But notice all the trim work that was done, the repaint, again, the plantation shutters as well. And this also has an opening directly right out into your dining and great room space. So from here, you've got access to the bar here at the kitchen. Right underneath this fan here is where your typical dedicated dining space would be for a dining table. And then you've got the great room area here overlooking the lanai and the views. You do also get a dry bar here with the Arabella as well, which is a nice little touch. Now, back here we have the master bedroom. Really nice size master suite. That's a king size bed, just for perspective. Plenty of room for nightstands on either end. And you have a nice window here overlooking the lake and the views from your unit. Really lovely view there. And we've got the master bath here along with his and hers closets. You've got a standalone shower. You've got a corner tub here, dual vanities, and then you have the enclosed water closet here and linen closet. So last but not least, we have the views from the back lanai. And this is just really where you're going to spend probably most of your time. Really lovely view back here overlooking the lake. You've got the palm trees, the sunshine. What else could you want? Well, with this unit, it does come with a 4-year lease attached to it. There's further information below. If you're interested in this home, you can reach out to myself or my partner Trinity. All of our contact information is below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.